Hello everyone. Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the law and welcome to the Officers Adda channel of Adda 24/7. So as you can know that we are doing the important content or important questions and answers of the module. So we have done with the module D and right now we are doing the module C, important questions and answer. So guys, if you really want to crack this exam in the single and a first attempt, so you have to attend the class regularly. Regularly at 8 a.m. this session is always go on. So that's why if you want to crack it, you have to take the one paid batch because one paid batch is sufficient to crack your exam. Now class, this is your module C and today we are going to start 2 act. Today we will do 2 questions, 2 acts question. Okay, why I'm saying because C class, this is very important from the examination point of view that in August session, okay, because August is going on, right? August is going on. So in August we have to focus on the module wise questions, right? In September we have to focus on the definition of the act. In October we have to focus on basically what? The questions, the summary and the question of the books, and November we have to focus on the marathon. So this is the 4-month plan of your YT session. So please note it down in your copy and this is important from the examination point of view. Now let's start with the session. In the Banker's Book Evidence Act, first of all, we have to know that what is evidence and what is proof. So now I just want to ask that what do you mean by the term evidence and the proof? Because before starting this act, the Banker's Book Evidence Act, we have to understand that what exactly the evidence means. Yes, class, tell me. See, evidence and the proof. If I just write down the one sentence that the evidence are the bricks to make the wall of proof. So this is exactly what the meaning of evidence and proof. Suppose this is the evidence. Evidence number 1, evidence number 2, evidence number 3. Suppose if A theft in B's. What is B? B is suppose bank. So suppose A theft in this bank. So in that case, suppose A hide the things. This is the thing. So that is evidence 1. A just keep the things in the storeroom. This is the second evidence. So what is this? So these are the small evidence and the small evidence is known as proof. So this evidence we have to present before the court. So this is called proof. So this is what exactly the difference between the evidence and the proof. So what is the Banker's Book Evidence Act? Suppose any matter which is going on in the court, right? So in the court, what bank have to present in front of the court? What bank have to present in front of the court? This is called the Banker's Book Evidence Act. So we know that we do not have to give the original copy of the bank in front of the court, but its duplicate copy. No need to give the original copy, but we have to give the duplicate copy and that duplicate copy must be certified. That duplicate copy must be certified. So this is what evidence and proof. Okay, so this is the exact meaning of. So today we will do Consumer Protection Act questions and the Banker's Book Evidence Act questions. Okay, now see, in the Banker's Book Evidence Act na class, there is no such questions that can come in the exam, but there are so many definition terms that we have to focus in the definition terms. Okay, so number 1 is what is company? What is company class according to the Banker's Book Evidence Act? So company is basically referred to any company which is defined in Section 3 of the Company Act 1956, including the foreign company which is defined under Section 599 of the same act. So it means company is basically that is defined in the Company Act 1956. So this is the basic definition of the term, this company. Okay, what types of questions can become from this act, I will tell you. Because see, when we read in the paid batch, now so in the paid batch also this act is very small. In the paid batch, what things are important in this act, I have already told you. Suppose prima facie evidence, whatever the bank is giving, that is a prima facie evidence that we have to present before the court. Okay, and the certified copy, whatever the bank that is giving to the court, that must be certified. So these are some important points to understand this one. Okay, now what is corporation? So corporation is basically, you can see that any body corporate established by any law for the time being in force in India is a corporation. So you can say that body corporate established by any law for the time being in force in India is a corporation. It includes the Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India, or any subsidiary bank. So these are the example of the term corporation. See, and regularity in the session is very, very much important. What is bank and banker according to this? According to this act, any company or corporation carrying on the business of banking is a bank or banker. Further, it includes any post office saving bank, any money order office, or any partnership or individual to whom provision of this act has been extended. So this is the exact definition of the term bank and the banker. See, a very important definitions to the point that we have to study. Okay. These are the important terms. These are the important terms that we have to study. Okay. Now the next one. What is banker's book? This is important concept. The banker's book refer to, this can be come in your exam, that what exactly the banker's book. So it includes ledger books, account books, day books, cash book, other book used in the ordinary course of the business of bank. These records can be kept in a written form. They can be stored in a, it means whatever the record that the bank is maintaining, they have to be stored in the microfilm, magnetic tape, or any other form of mechanical or electronic data retrieval mechanism. So the bank data can be stored in any form that is written here. So basically, as we know that for the bank, it is very important for the bank to keep the confidential informations of the individual. If suppose if the bank will leak the information of customers, so that is a breach of, you can say, the contract. So that's why it is a duty of bank to just highlight only those things which need to require to prove against themselves. Okay, now what is legal proceeding? So under this act, legal proceeding means any proceeding or inquiry under which evidence is given or may be given. This is called legal proceeding. You can say if any matter of the bank is going on, so that is called the legal proceeding that is going on in the court. See? And legal proceeding includes arbitration, any investigation, inquiry under the CRPC 1973 or any other law. And I have already told you that in India, in the criminal justice system, the 3 Act has been changed. So this is the CRPC. So CRPC is also one of the criminal justice system. Okay, that's cool. What is court? Court refers to the person before whom the legal proceeding is held. It's referred to the persons before whom the legal proceeding held. What is judge? Judge means the judge of High Court. Judge of the High Court division. See? And what is trial? Trial means it refers to any hearing before the court where evidence is taken. See? This is called trial. So these are the important terms. Some people, always used to say me that, ma'am, whether the definitions of the acts are important or not. So this is important because in the definition we basically cover the important terminology of that act, and these terms, comes in the class also, comes in this one exam also. Okay, guys. So any doubt? And please do not forget to enroll in the batch. Enroll in the batch which is going to be start from 4th of September of the English medium batch. Okay. So this is important from the examination point of view. Okay. Important from the examination point of view. Now let's do the certified copy. Certified copy is important because the bank have to show only certified copy to the court. Bank have to show only the certified copy to the court. So first of all, please read the sentence. Okay, what is certified copy? So certified copy is basically with respect to the written record. A certified copy means a copy of an entry in the banker's book. A copy of the entry in the banker's book with a certificate written at the foot of such copy. It's certified that it is the true copy of the entry and it's contained in the ordinary books of the bank, that is made in the ordinary course of business, and concerned book is still in the custody of the bank. So basically the certified copy always the bank have to show in front of the court. So this is called as the certified copy. So this is important from the examination point of view. Okay, and then you can also see that the copy can also be obtained by mechanically or by any other process that itself ensure that accuracy of the copy. In this case, a certificate to that effect also required. So simply, what exactly this conclusion want to say that certified copy that should be signed by the authenticate person, then only this can be called as the proof or evidence that can be present before the court. Okay, so this is certified copy. Now that's it. Now class, the module C, again the second act that we are going to study is the Consumer Protection Act. We are the consumer, right? We are the consumer. So what we are? Consumer means the person who can consume the goods and who can avail the services. So if any defect will come in the goods and services, so we can file the case in the proper forum that is given under this act. So that forum can be at the district level, state level and the central level. Okay, now see, module C. Done. Before starting this session, I would like to highlight the rights of the consumer because this is very important. Right to safety. Whatever we are purchasing from the shop, it should be safe for us. Suppose if I just demand a hot water bottle and the bottle become blast. So if the bottle become blast, it means that my right to safety is violated. I can file the case. Right to choose. It's my choice whether I can choose the BlackBerry shirt or whether I can choose the John Player shirt. It's my choice. So it is a consumer right to choose. Right to be heard. It is my consumer right that my points should be heard by the proper forum. We know that for everything the court is there, but still there should be the proper forum, and this is called right to be heard. Right to be informed, exactly. It is a duty of that shopkeeper to inform about everything, and it should be true about the goods and about the services. Right to healthy environment, exactly. Right to healthy environment. Whatever we are consuming, whatever we are purchasing as a goods and avail the services, it should be, the environment should not affect by using any things. So it should be, it is my consumer rights to be just live in the healthy environment. Right to redressal against district, state and national forum. Right to consumer education. So consumer education is basically this one. And the last one is right to basic needs. If I am living in any area, so it is my personal, it is my basic needs. My basic needs should be fulfilled from the shop. So these are the class consumer rights that is given under this act. Okay, now let's start with the question and answer. Number one, consumer protection is significant to what? Tell me. That is for immovable, movable, particular and odd goods and services. What is the right answer of the first question? Consumer Protection Act is significant to what? Immovable goods, movable goods, particular goods and services, or all goods and services. What is the right answer? Yes, class. And everybody have to give me the exact answer. So for this one, as we know that all goods and services will cover here. Now, under the Consumer Protection Act, the rights of the consumer, as we already read, do not include what? Safety, choose, presented, informed. Second one. What is the right answer? Under the Consumer Protection Act, right of a consumer do not include safety, choose, presented, or informed. What is the right answer? We have done safety, choose, informed, but not presented. So second one, C is the right answer. When the seller manipulate the price, it is known as what? Caveat emptor, unfair trade practices, restricted trade practices, or none of the above. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel of Officer Adda 24/7. So for this class, if the manipulate, that is called restricted trade price. In which forum it is compulsory to have a female member? National Commission, State Commission, District Commission, or all of the above? What is the right answer for this one? In which forum it is compulsory to have a female member in all of the above points? D is the right answer. D is the class right answer for this question. Next, within how many days does the opposite party have to answer after they are informed about the complaint? Yes, class. Within how many days does the opposite party have to answer after they are informed about the complaint? That is 30. So 5(1)A is the right answer here. Okay, A is the right answer. Next. Dash made to hear complaint. The value is less than 50 lakh. So as we know that the actual Consumer Protection Act is of 1986. Later it amended on 2019 and then 2021. So for the 2021, you have to tell me the right answer. 2021. Up to 50 lakh. 50 lakh to 2 crore, and this is above 2 crore. So for this one, the right answer is district level. So 6(1)A is the right answer. Consumer Act 2019 has been replaced. So before 2019, what was the real act? Consumer Protection Act 1976, 86, 96, 2006. The right answer is B1. B is the right answer. Okay, same question. 8th. The Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission at the national, state, district level will entertain the complaint related to which of the following? 3 points are there. You have to tell me which of the following points are correct regarding that we can easily go to the Redressal Commission. The first is overcharging the deceptive. Deceptive means fake, fraud. Unfair and restrictive trade practices. Sale of hazardous goods and services. And which of the following is the correct? Only 1, 2 and 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. And do not forget to like the session and subscribe the channel. This is the only platform where results speak itself. So 8th one, the right answer is 1, 2 and 3. All points are right. The right to dash refer to the right to be safeguarded from the product that are harmful to the one's life. Right to, that is a harmful. So it should be right to be safety. B is the right answer. Okay, next. Any person who buy product from the personal users and hire and uses the services for a fee is referred to as, this is called as the consumer. So 10th one, B is the right answer. So guys, this is all for today's class. So this is your batch, English medium batch, a new batch which is going to be start from 4th of September. So if you want to enroll in this batch, you have to simply apply the coupon code. That coupon code is basically August, that is 80. If you apply this coupon code now, then you can get the maximum discount up to 81%. In this batch, there will be the live classes. The timing is 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and in the evening 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Next, if you miss any live class, you can see the recorded session. You will get the mock paper, e-books, doubt session, etc. So this is the only platform in which you can easily crack your exam. Okay, so this is all, and this is your CAIIB ka Mahapack. Mahapack contain 1 year validity. If you want to take the elective subject also, so this Mahapack contain 1 year validity. It means it will cover November, December and the May-June sessions classes. Whatever the batch that will be launched for the English and bilingual language, every batch will be available here. Third point, in this Mahapack, you will get the recorded session of elective paper also. Marathon that we have taken for the June session, it will cover also. So that's why this Mahapack is also very, very much important. So if you want to take it, the process is very simple. Just write down Adda 24/7, all courses. Okay. All courses. This is CAIIB November 2023. This is your English medium batch, a new English medium batch. Click on this one. Okay. See, the coupon code is August 80. So same coupon code you have to apply, that is AUG, that is 80. If you apply, you can see the discount is 80% discount. So 4799.2080 is the exact price of this batch. So this is all for today's class. Have a nice day.